Igonta geteto ya chake korwa se county ya Kisii ase ward ya Sensi ase ekinyoro kia Rioma abwase abamenyi batigwa no mwichano na mayanda magega yomubere bwomo sub chief wensemeyo ya Rioma gotoka gokwete mbarabare ne chiabisi chiaye asa gokorera emirimo ekerenga kimubero yo gotoka gosekikeirera ogosira kwaye ngera manyekana goikabono chingaki abanyanyimbo bachakire obutukyobo abwase boigo mubero onyagosira Evans Obegi onyara kobago koirwa na kugachwa asenkendwe nene ya Kisii Teaching and Referral korende ayaiganaro abamenyi kurwa sensemeyo anene mono bali baikirana ase enkendwe yo ya Kisii Teaching and Referral bakwana igoro yenganeyo.
Jina mi naitwa Paul Angwenyi. I'm the elected member of the County Assembly from Sensi Ward. Rioma sublocation falls under my jurisdiction. This morning, as we woke up, we got information that one of the assistant chiefs of Rioma sublocation was found lying in front of his office, dead. Was lying in front of his office and he was dead. So we rushed to the scene and we found indeed the assistant chief was dead. And when we looked around the scene, there was any disturbance, nothing. The ground was clear, meaning that this person was picked from wherever he was and brought there this wee hours of the morning and dropped there. We are calling upon now, the community is now calling upon the national government, Special Crimes Unit, to come and do a thorough forensic investigations